What's up guys? So today I'm going to teach you how to make a planner using a notebook and basic tools to keep you on track every day. So without further ado, let's go. Basic tools you need: notebook, pencil, eraser, highlighter any color, ruler, markers any color you want. First, we're gonna create a key. A key is basically means creating a symbol or icon to help you identify which label or progress you are in. And it's done. So the next one is we're going to create the actual note. We are going to create 3 borders, good for 3 days. So in right side is accomplishment and in the left side is agenda. In agenda, that is the task that you are going to do today, and in accomplishment is the progress that what you are doing. Now we're gonna use the keys. It's very simple, but trust me, it's productive. The good thing about this is very easy to do, and it feels like you're studying your life. Now we are going to make one full day. So that's it, guys. That's how you make planner. Actually, you can upgrade or you can make your own way how to design this, but technically this is the pattern. Thanks for watching, guys. So subscribe for more videos like this.